A big week ahead. Let's check in now with Dan Deming of KKM Financial. And the big banks are ready to roll out earnings. Dan, what's the expectation?
Well, there's mixed expectations, lowered expectations, but at the same time, there are some areas where they expect to see some positive results. And I think in the fee area, I think that's one area where they expect to see a pickup in some activity. Certainly, all eyes will be, I think, on some of the other revenue sources and the net interest margin and some of the dynamics that the banks are having to contend with the shifting of the yield curve. But I think the expectations are pretty low. So maybe if there is a positive result here, Angie, we might see a jump in the banks because the banks have suffered a little bit here in the last month.
What else are you watching in the market?
Well, I'm watching certainly the narrative surrounding the COVID-19 situation, the pandemic that's impacting a lot of different aspects of the market. Psychologically, it's impacting the market, and then also now there's concerns that fundamentally it could impact the market. Couple that with the Fed as well. Certainly, the Fed's in focus, and we do have a lot of central bank activity this week, Angie. Also, we have some data points that were pretty important. I think CPI, industrial production, capacity utilization, numbers like those are going to be very important this time around because I think the Fed is watching these very closely.
Thank you, Dan, and have a great week ahead.
All right, thanks. Thank you, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.